No. Yes, I know my bloody microphone is on. Right. We're here in the Arctic, where we're here to observe the behaviour of... Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Producer. I can't see the bloody camera. There's bloody snow everywhere. Oh, God. Snot-nosed little bastards. I'm a national fucking treasure, don't you know? I'll go from the top. We're here in the... polar bear shit. 60 years of stepping in bloody polar bear shit. Well, you know what? You big, furry bastards. I hope you go bloody extinct. Now, that's it. I've had enough. Turn the bloody camera off. Come on. Where's my bloody snowmobile? Come on.